looking at the competition like Half-Life 2 and Doom 3 and saying, we're going to make our own graphically impressive AAA shooting game, and we're going to do it with bullet time. A thing that's already wearing out its welcome in 2005 after 2 Max Payne games, and we're going to make it awesome. Not just awesome, legendary. And so, on October 18th, 2005, about 17 years ago, Monolith released Fear on an unsuspecting public and rode that success to Fear 2, and then Fear 3, for 3R, was farmed out to a company that wasn't Monolith, because Monolith, being a supremely talented studio, went the way of other supremely talented studios with legendary franchises. A big media conglomerate bought them, and now they work on their IPs exclusively. I hear those Middle-earth games are really good, especially when they patched out the shitty microtransactions from Shadow of War, proving that Warner Brothers at one point had some shame, a feature that has now been patched out. If you're sick of this show discussing talented studios being bought out and forced to serve the whims of giant, faceless, amoral corporations, and you'd like it if I stopped...
Farm out. Farm out. Farm out.